How to log in to Quillbot. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to Quillbot. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is of course open up a web browser and simply search for Quillbot. After you search for Quillbot, head over to its official website. And after you're there, you should see an option to log in. You'll see it automatically signs you in, or if you just tap on the login option on the top right, you'll get logged in. So I'll just log out for this video purpose. And after I've logged out, you will see different options to log in. You can log in with Google, you can continue with Facebook, you can continue with Apple, or your email, and then a password. So it's really easy. If you already have an account, you can just type in the password with the email and you'll get logged in. Or you can simply tap on continue with Google, and yeah, it will just select your account, and now you're inside Quillbot. And that is how you can log in into your Quillbot account, guys. As you can see right here, it's starting to log in. So I'll just say yes, or I'll just skip. So that is how you can log in into your Quillbot account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.